Welcome back, everybody. Tezos XTZ is looking bearish, people. It looks bearish. It could be that we topped out right here on the 3.9. You can see the long wicks. That means seller steps in. We got 1, 2, 3 long wicks. And since then, we're just making lower highs, people. You can see that easy. Everyone can see it. We are in a bearish short-term trend. Now it could reverse at any moment, but we don't know. Now I really think we're gonna go lower now. Now this candle is not a regular candle. You can see as we speak right now, we're already testing the $3 area. This is very, in my opinion, it's a really good opportunity. I'm gonna buy more here right now. I sold my position, my trading position, okay, in those weeks. You can see those weeks I had a stop loss order around the 2.9 after we made a high, so I got stopped out right here. Now since then I'm waiting for a dip. Now this could be the dip I was waiting for now, people. Now it could be. Don't forget, sometimes a lot of altcoins making a breakout trade, okay, making a breakout very positive move up, and then they come back to revisit the previous resistance that became support. So it could revisit the $2 area, people. So it's very, I suggest you, this is not a financial advice, to leave some USDT in case we're gonna capitulate to $2, okay, because this is a big dump from the top to $2. That's like 50% correction, okay, but it could happen because altcoins are very, very, very volatile. All right, so this is a good thing. But I also have an order right here in case it want to just make a double bottom with those 2 weeks. You see those 2 weeks here, right here, and it also was our resistance on the way up right here. So right here we're gonna have some support. It will bounce here. The question is if it's gonna make a double bottom and continue higher, or is it if it want to go down. So my plan is always leave more USDT in the side and buy the dip the more it go down, okay? So basically I have one order in the 2.77. I also have another order in the 618. You can see the 618 fib retracement right here at around 2.27-ish, 2.3-ish area. This will be amazing entry. And I have another USDT on the line just in case we're going to touch here. I'm gonna make more funds available to buy the dip here if it will not be so fast, okay? Basically that's my plan, people. Also, let's have a look on the EMAs. Let's have a look on the EMAs. You can see the EMAs on the daily, they are very, very far down. So we should revisit the 50 EMA. You can see the pink one before continuing higher, just to gain some momentum, to let the coin cool off, all right, to let the people buy more position, come with strength before we go higher. As well, if we look on the 4-hour time frame, you can see some serious bearish action. Sorry about that. If we remove the EMAs for a second, you can see the Ichimoku cloud. This Ichimoku cloud will be broke underneath the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, so we're trading inside the Ichimoku cloud. If we're gonna break here under this, under the $2.5, this will be very bearish in the 4-hour time frame. All right, so if we're gonna break under this cloud, expect it to go to the 2.3, even the $2. We don't know, but this looks toppy. And I said in the previous video that we could go to $5 in February. So this is a correction. It's probably not going to happen, people. All right. So if you are a Tezos hodler and Tezos trader, please subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna cover Tezos XTZ till I am alive, basically, because I'm so bullish on this coin. But this is a very good opportunity for people that want to join in the Tezos game. So this is a very good place to buy, people. This, if we're gonna break under this support right here in the 2.75-ish, all this place, okay, let me show you, all this area, this is a very good place to enter a position before we move in higher. All right. Now another thing I want to show you also on the BTC chart. If we're looking on the BTC chart, XTZ BTC, okay, and we take the weekly time frame, you can see this topping formation right here. You can see this long wick. The long wicks usually indicates, you can see them here, the long wicks indicates a shift in the short-term trend. All right, you can see we have on the tops wicks and wicks, so it could go lower, people. In the BTC chart, it most likely is going to revisit the blue line here. That was the previous resistance right here that we broke out. So we're probably gonna come back, revisit it, gain momentum, and fly really, really high in the next impulse wave up. That was the first wave, the second wave, and we got another wave coming. So people, buy the dip, don't capitulate, keep stacking those XTZ and stake them on offline wallet. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment down below, and please subscribe to the channel and have a wonderful week, people. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.